You know this, but some of you might remember me from a soap opera that I did for many years. I played Mindy Lewis on Guiding Light for many years, until I was killed off. Talk amongst yourselves. And then I decided to sort of change career, and I did radio for many years. I was on a radio station that shall remain nameless with Mark Bolger. And then I was killed off. Talk amongst yourselves. And I've been a little down, and they say that what you should do when you're looking for a job is you should do what you love, and the money will come. So I've been laying in bed watching TV, waiting for the money to roll in. And I pretty much lay there every day with my best friend, Mr. Remote Control. And because of that, I watch TV for gazillions of hours. And my favorite thing is reality TV. I mean, I am so hooked on the Jersey Shore, Jerseylicious, The Bachelor, all of the Housewives. I love The Biggest Loser. I mean, you name it. And you know why? Because I realize they're way bigger losers than me, and it makes me feel good about myself. And have you seen the show Sister Wives? That's one of my favorites. It's this guy named Cody that's married to 4 women. He's a polygamist in Utah. And, some of my friends have said that's really sick. And all I ever think is, sick? That's brilliant. He's with a different wife each night. So, one night with her, one night. And all the wives help each other do stuff. The cooking and the cleaning and the taking care of the kids. And you know what? The reason why I think this is brilliant is because I could really use a few nights off from my relationship. I would love a sister wife to come in and help with all the things and take my guy off my hands for a couple of nights. But when you watch TV all the time, I've developed a little, insomnia, probably because I never turn the TV off. And I love those drug commercials. And my most favorite is Lunesta. Have you seen the one that says, "Are you tired of being tired?" I am. And it's got the radioactive butterflies flying around the room. And the woman's all pretty in her bed, like she's all in white, and the room is white, and the curtains are white, and she's got makeup on, and her hair's perfect. I mean, when I sleep, my pajamas are usually inside out because I put them back on however I took them off. There's Dorito chips all over the bed. There's cats, there's dogs, there's a snoring guy who I hate a lot. I mean, it's not conducive to sleeping. And it always says, talk to your doctor about Lunesta. And I'm thinking, really? I have to do everything? So I did talk to my doctor about Lunesta, and he gave me the Lunesta. And if you read all the stuff that comes with the Lunesta that nobody ever reads, it says that while you're on the Lunesta, you may engage in walking, driving, making food and eating, talking on the phone, and other activities such as sex without remembering it the next day. Really? My spousal equivalent said he's very satisfied with our sex life, but basically I was just getting a good night's sleep. I don't remember any of it. It was fantastic. The weight gain? I thought it was because I'd added so many Twinkies to my diet. No, apparently I was eating well on Lunesta. So, that's fine. I'm fine having sex while I'm sleeping. It's a little easier. But if you read all the fine details, it says Lunesta may cause morning drowsiness, headaches, lack of affection. It actually said that, depression, unpleasant taste in mouth, swelling of throat and lips, even more serious depression leading to suicide, anal seepage, and death. Well, I'm fine with that because I really need a good night's sleep. In fact, doctor, is there any chance you can give me that purple pill? The one where they go canoeing and bike riding and they sit in bathtubs on the beach? I could use that one too. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for our wonderful headliner. This woman has actually performed for the troops in the Middle East, and we're very excited to have her here tonight at the Brouhaha Comedy Club. Comedy Central presents Vanessa Hollingshead.